Hi everyone and welcome back. Welcome to another really nice module. Okay. And what is this module? This module we are going to talk about SSO SAML and OIDC, right? So first of all, there will be many questions in your head. Why SSO? What is SSO? Why we need it? What is SSO SAML? What is SSO OIDC? What is this IDP identity provider? What is service provider? Lots of questions. Okay, keep them in your head because I'm going to explain each and everything. SSO is everywhere. You might not notice it, but everywhere whenever you try to log into modern platforms, which has been built maybe after 2005 or 10, every built-in application has SSO enabled, even the B2B app or a SaaS app or any application which is a customer facing. I mean, mostly you will see SSO enabled only on those applications which are mostly B2B or the SaaS platform. Because let's say I want to order food from Zomato and Swiggy, obviously I won't be doing SSO login for that, right? I will be just doing a simple username or mobile OTP or something like that. But when you are doing a when you're building an application like a SaaS platform like Slack, Jira, or any kind of a service which you are providing to the multiple organizations. Let's say I am a part of an organization and we are using Slack in our enterprise, in our application. I don't want to have a separate login mechanism for the Slack. Obviously, I won't be doing okay login with the Google or GitHub or something like that. No. Once I logged in with my enterprise account, my Outlook account, my Microsoft account, or my Google Workspace account, I should be able to enter into Jira, Slack, Confluence, or any other HR portal, or any other finance portal, or any other transport portal, because the MNCs or enterprises have multiple these kind of portals to provide a service to their employees, internal or external, right? Or let's say I want to fill my time sheet, time reporting. I'm a contractor or a full-time employee. I need to log my time. So I don't need to log in multiple times. Once I log into my Microsoft account, which is provided by my organization, I should be able to log into my Slack, Jira, Confluence, timesheet, all these different portals. This is called single sign-on, right? It can be internal. And external is, let's say I build an application for B2B. I have sold that application to a customer. Then what that customer will ask to me, let's say I build a uh, any kind of a startup which is in e-commerce domain. I sold that e-commerce or GST software. I sold that to a B2B customer. Now, what that customer wants, that his employee do not want to log in into this application again because they already logged into their enterprise account. So this is where the SSO comes. This is really important aspect. What I will do is I will enable SSO in my application which I'm selling to the customer, and I should be able to integrate SSO so that their customer, after doing login to Microsoft account, they should be able to land into the landing page or the dashboard page of my application. This is what the IDP and service provider. So who is the identity provider? Identity provider is their Microsoft account. And who is the service provider? I am the service provider. I am providing my service to the customer. So yeah, this is going to be the long journey. This is just an introduction video. What is SSO single sign-on and why we really need it? And in real world, you see SSO happening everywhere, and that might be happening even before you have noticed it. Like, okay, you logged into only once in your system and you are able to use lots of enterprise applications without even doing login. That is single sign-on, and it is everywhere on the government platform, on the enterprise platform. So having knowledge of this thing is really must if you are into authentication, authorization, backend platform in the Node.js, NestJS.